There are two ways for you to search for loads in the Trucker Tools app. The first is by clicking on the loads icon on the opening screen. You can also search for loads by going to the menu in the top left corner of your screen and clicking Loads. You will see a list view of all the loads near your current location. To customize your search, click here to modify your search at the top of the list. Enter your pickup location by clicking on Current Location and entering your pickup location. For this example, I will use New York. Next, you can put in your ETA for picking up the load. Click on the date and time, which will bring up a pop-up for you to edit your ETA. Click on the date and time and use the scrolling wheel for each to set your ETA. Then click Confirm. You can specify which destinations you would prefer to haul the load to. To edit this, click on None. You can see a list of zones in Canadian states. Each zone is clarified by state in parentheses underneath the zone name. To choose your preferred destinations, click the drop-down for the zone and turn on the switch next to each state you prefer to haul loads to. Then click Close. Next, enter your truck type to search for loads for your equipment type. Just turn on the switch next to your truck type. Then press the red button with the magnifying glass. The list is now showing loads for your customized search. You can also see the map view by clicking on the map button at the top of your screen. Here you can see on the map where each of the pickup locations are for the loads in your search. If you click on any of the map dots, the map will zoom in to that location and show you the brief details of the load. You can exit this view by clicking anywhere on the map, or to view the load details, click on the card on your screen. To get a quote for this load, click on Quote at the bottom of your screen, then click here to offer the first quote. You will be prompted to enter or edit your carrier information, then click Proceed. Enter the amount you would like to haul the load for, then click Send Quote to start the negotiating process.